Hello and welcome to Paris. We landed late yesterday evening and are just walking up to Sacré-Cœur before it gets even busier. Just look at all the tourists who had exactly the same idea as we did. But when getting up there, the view of Paris is fantastic and we were really lucky with the weather that day as well. In the morning we got a Too Good To Go for breakfast, and as you know by now, we love a picnic, so we took some of the pastries with us and enjoyed them with this beautiful view. And I'll show you the Too Good To Go if I can find the footage. So these are two Too Good To Go bags that we got. We thought we would maybe get something like from the buffet, but we got quite a lot of pastries and I think that will do us for the day. After a wee rest, we walked through the streets of Montmartre, and I'm sorry for my pronunciation, I'm doing my best. Anyway, it was time to check the Too Good To Go app for our dinner options, and no, this video is not an ad. We just love the app and it's an easy way to save money on food while traveling. So we got a coffee at Lafayette while planning our day and dinner options. We got a Moroccan and Japanese magic bag, which again had as a picnic in one of the parks. For both magic bags, we only paid €11, which was quite cheap. After dinner we went to the Louvre, which is free after 6 p.m. every first Friday of the month. But tickets weren't available online anymore and queuing would have taken 3.5 hours, risking of not even getting in because the museum was closing in 3 hours. So we didn't end up going there, which was a shame, but well, it started raining anyway. The Curie Museum is free all year round and it's well worth a visit. It's a small museum but very interesting, and it wasn't too busy although it was a Saturday afternoon. So I'm not getting better. These are the things, look. These are the chairs that I used to have in the Netherlands, right?
Yeah, did they look like that?
Well, no, they weren't. They didn't look like that. No. But I had them, you know, I had a wee rooftop, you know, and then I had a wee rooftop and it used to get quite windy. I used to find them on the streets and I'm so lucky that it never hit a car. I would like it all. Ian, those biscuits there.
What's that?
No, at the back, look, those biscuits.
them?
They're €13.50.
Oh my god.
I think, to be honest, Ian, what I think we should do is we should get a Too Good To Go. For the rest of the day we did some sightseeing, and with our public transport ticket we were able to take the metro as often as we wanted. So we got two Too Good To Go's, one from a focaccia, it was called Focaccia Club, so we got this pesto salad and a Diet Coke for €4. But it's a bit small, if I'm honest, for €4, because if you compare it to the Asian Too Good To Go, that was €5, and we got a whole box of sushi plus the vegetable whatever, like spring rolls, and then what's that? Asian
like
spring rolls? Or, yeah, I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, so €5 compared to €4. It's quite a bit of a difference. We were just walking along the streets of Paris, enjoying the sun, when I got a notification that a Too Good To Go magic bag was available. I know it's getting ridiculous by now, but I seriously don't know why isn't everyone using this app. Anyway, I'd seen this cafe on TikTok and everyone seemed to love it. Just type in Angelina Paris in TikTok or Insta and you'll see what the whole hype is about. €6.50. Are you joking? What? They give us 2 eclair. What
like
the
eclair?
hell?
Minty.
Yeah, I like eclair, so I don't need $6.50 for 2 eclairs. Well,
They were
I
like
guess.
$6.50 each.
Yeah.
In fact, you can see on now. This
How
is
do you
the
feel
face
about it?
of somebody who is not
Well,
responding
Yeah.
to reading them just now.
Yeah, I'm starving. So our Too Good To Go's that we just had were not good. Oh, well, they weren't that nice. So we're starving. We'll just have it now, eh?
No.
Yeah. So our hotel is just there. So you walk up those stairs and you're just here at the water. But above us is quite a busy road and it was pretty loud. First I had to get used to it again because I'm not used to it from Scotland or in Glasgow where we stay, and it's actually okay. I read a review that someone was complaining that it was too loud, but I'm a light sleeper and if I can sleep through, I think anyone can. Well, this is day 4, which is our last full day in Paris, and we planned on walking along Champs-Élysées on this sunny day, but we forgot that it was Victory Day and the whole area was closed. Luckily, we were able to go the next day, just before we left for the airport. Let's talk about the costs of this trip. We paid £88.81 for the flights from Glasgow to Charles de Gaulle and only took a bag, so we didn't pay for any luggage. The aparthotel was £139.44 for 5 nights, which I thought was a very good deal. The transfer from and to Glasgow Airport was £14, and we paid nearly £27 for an Uber that we had to get from Charles de Gaulle Airport to our aparthotel. Our flight was delayed, so we did have to get an Uber because we couldn't get public transport anymore at that time of the day. For the metro tickets, we paid just over £39 and we spent about £127 on food and drink, so we paid in total £434.84 per person. That's not bad, is it? Well, thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed the video then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!